Talkpal is one of the hottest AI language apps today, and it honestly almost sounds too good. Unlimited conversation practice with an AI tutor that corrects you in real time. For over a decade, Babbel has been the reliable choice for beginners. After spending serious time inside both, here's who each one is actually built for and which one is worth your money. So let's start with Talkpal. Instead of locking you in at a set curriculum, Talkpal lets you freely explore 9 different modes of interacting with the AI tutor. For example, you can jump between text-based conversations in chat mode, audio-only practice in call mode, and role-play for everyday scenarios like booking a hotel or ordering food. Aside from a few basic listen and repeat activities for beginners, Talkpal is mostly a freestyle platform. You're thrown into a spontaneous conversation with no structure nor guardrails, and you simply keep the chat going. One thing to know up front, Talkpal is not for newbies. If you're still building your foundation in a language, this app will overwhelm you before it helps you. Talkpal is great at giving accurate feedback. Every time you speak or type, you either get a check mark to show that you nailed it, or an explanation of how to improve your pronunciation, word choice, or verb tense. For me, getting corrected in real time meant I could fix the mistake on the spot instead of moving on and getting it wrong. The AI tutor constantly adapted to my level by pushing me harder when I was doing well and scaling back when I got confused. Talkpal also picked up on my general speaking habits and gave me a daily summary of where I still had room to grow, which honestly made me feel like I was making progress. I went into Talkpal with a solid background in Spanish and jumped straight into debate mode. Defending a nuanced position on animal rights stretched my vocabulary, and the AI kept me engaged by forcing me to think critically in Spanish. I was impressed, but after about 20 minutes, I switched to character mode, where I chatted with a fictional character, Frankenstein's monster. I made a few obvious pronunciation mistakes on purpose and started getting inaccurate feedback. A minute later, it corrected my comma usage, but here's the thing. I was speaking and not typing. Talkpal had transcribed what I said, then corrected itself, which was really distracting and kept me from speaking naturally, like I would to a friend. These tech glitches come up all the time. Talkpal sometimes gets confused about grammar rules or produces sentences that don't make sense. Here's the raw truth about AI conversation tools, and this applies to Talkpal. They're good as a supplemental conversation partner in a language you already know. But if you need reliable corrections or actual instruction, the feedback isn't consistent enough to trust. That's the limitation of most AI tutors today. And if you try Talkpal as a beginner, it won't be very helpful. If you're still building your foundation, you're expected to keep up with the bot as if you already know the language. So this is who Talkpal works for. If you've gone pretty far into a language, but you've just become a little rusty or you just need extra conversation practice, Talkpal definitely helps you loosen up. But for anyone who doesn't already have a good grasp of a language's vocabulary and grammar, Talkpal isn't a language learning app. Beginners will find Talkpal simply overwhelming. If you want to give Talkpal a try, I've got a link for 20% off in the description. Now let's say you want the benefits of AI, plus a more structured curriculum designed for beginners. That's Babbel. Instead of dropping you into open-ended conversations and hoping things click, Babbel builds your Spanish from the ground up. Lessons, which are all created by real language experts, run about 10 to 15 minutes and move you through speaking, listening, reading, and typing exercises while helping you drill new vocab and actually understand how the language works. Grammar is woven into lessons as quick tips that pop up in the middle of a dialogue, so you're constantly seeing new verb forms in context. Then getting a clear breakdown of how they work before moving on to a practice drill so that you learn to put them together on your own. Everything is quick and doable, unlike Talkpal, which just throws you into the deep end without support. Babbel is also designed to help you master new vocabulary quickly. Babbel's lessons use spaced repetition so that words you covered 3 weeks ago come back up right when they're on the verge of slipping from your memory. Memorization happens automatically, so you're always making steady progress. You also get to choose how you prefer to review, whether that's with flashcards, listening, speaking, or typing exercises. So Babbel works well for all types of learners. Beyond the standard lesson work, you're also getting AI tools. The conversation partner called Babbel Speak doesn't just throw you into an open conversation and expect you to keep up, like Talkpal does. It's a much more forgiving environment for anyone who freezes when it's their turn to speak. Babbel's chat feature was specifically made for beginners, which is why it's great at truly building confidence, whereas using Talkpal too early in your learning journey might actually make you doubt yourself. The interface is clean and functional, although I wouldn't call it flashy. Still, everything works well, helping you focus on the language without being distracted by tech problems, and the offline access makes it easy to use anywhere. Babbel is designed to be quite flexible and work with your lifestyle while providing enough structure so you never feel lost. That said, Babbel has one main limitation, which is that it plateaus at the intermediate level. If you're already conversational, you'll reach that ceiling quickly. But if you're building from scratch, it's one of the most complete packages out there for building up a strong foundation in a language. The step-by-step lessons give you a straightforward track to follow. And whenever you want to mix things up, you can use the Babbel app to pull up podcasts, video lessons, or the Babbel magazine. All these multimedia resources are great for keeping you engaged and getting you to engage with the language from several different angles. And since I'm already fairly strong in Spanish, I spent a few months testing out Babbel French to see how well it works for beginners. 4 weeks in, I learned a surprising number of words without spending any extra time studying outside of the app. The structured repetition was helping me make rapid progress, while the AI conversation partner was making me feel confident about my ability to already start using the French that I was learning. Babbel gave me a safe place to practice French within the context I was already good at, so I was growing without feeling overstretched. Babbel runs about $8 to $15 a month depending on subscription length. If you want to give it a try, I've got a 55% off link in the description for you. All right, here's my final verdict. For most people learning a language, Babbel is the clear choice. If you're building from scratch or working through the early stages, nothing at this price gives you a more complete foundation. Talkpal has its place as a low-pressure conversation partner, but it's not a standalone learning program. For everyone else, just go with Babbel. For full reviews of both apps, visit testprepinsight.com. We give away a free language learning subscription every month. To enter, just drop a comment below and tell me which one you're leaning toward. And if this helped, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.